Good morning. Milan is early today. Hi, Han. Hi, Amila. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Please turn on your camera, guys. Milan, are you ready today? Milan, we had a special program today. Are you ready? Ihan, what did you prepare for assembly?
Ma'am, I forgot about that.
You didn't prepare anything?
No.
That's very bad, Ihan. How can you forget?
Hi, ma'am.
Amila, please turn on your camera. See, I'm going to show you where you stand right now in our star giving competition. You know the number of stars depends on how you behave and whether your works are completed. All those category, how you behave. So Amila got 3 golden star, 1 black star. So good job. Lazel has 2 golden stars. He did all his works. Milan got 1 golden star, Milan, but he performed yesterday, so he
Ma'am,
deserves one more.
why is my photo like that? Can't you get any other photo except for that?
That was the
Hey,
photo given to us, right? So, Milan, you will have 2 golden stars because yes, if you perform today, otherwise it will go to a black star.
you have to remove 2 black stars or else I am presenting.
No, 1 star per. That's how it goes. So, Ayman has 2 golden and 2 black star. Ihan, you have 1 golden and 1 black. If you are not you forgot today, so you will get another black star. That's how it goes. So your black star numbers will increase. So Milan, ready?
Hmm?
Did you prepare, Milan?
Yes.
Okay, then let's start. We are ready.
It's in YouTube. Is that fine?
You are going to put YouTube?
Yeah, the song.
Do the party freeze dance! Now remember, when I say freeze, you freeze! And when I say dance, dance!
Dancing, dancing all around. Dancing, dancing, dancing. Dancing and.
Play. Playing YouTube is very easy, Milan.
Good morning,
There's no.
ma'am.
Good morning, Ayman. There's no effort, Milan. What have you done? That is a program. You were supposed to perform. YouTube, anyone can put. Even I can put YouTube, right? So you didn't prepare anything. You are saying, Milan. Does that
I
mean?
prepared.
What did you prepare?
This one, but it's like tomorrow's theme.
1 second, Avila. We'll discuss about that. Milan, yes or no?
I did prepare the song.
What is it that you're going to do? Tell us first. What have you prepared?
It's a special program.
What is in that special program?
Dancing.
Okay. Then you can put. But I didn't see you getting up from your chair. You were sitting there and the music was playing there.
I was waiting.
Okay. Then you can put it.
And why did you pin me?
All the people those are presenting, they get pinned. Yesterday Amila was pinned, Diamond was pinned.
Imagine expanding your business to London while setting up a family office in Singapore and investing in good.
And
And then please be honest, did you prepare something? What did you prepare? I don't see anything. That playing I can play. Should I play the freeze dance and show you in the YouTube? Okay. Since no one did anything, don't smile, Ihan. You also didn't do your work. So you should be ashamed. If you did, then okay. But you
what is my theme for today, ma'am? Tomorrow.
let me just put the black stars just in case we forget, because those who have done deserve the stars and those who didn't do, they also deserve the star.
Ma'am, you didn't give yesterday a theme.
See, I have added it. News presentation. Can you see that?
Oh, okay.
And I meant thought of the day. I'm adding it. Don't worry. I'll not forget, okay?
Okay.
And right now you have 2 black stars and 1 golden star. So I would suggest start preparing for the assembly. So tomorrow onwards, let's put the program. Give me a good theme. What theme should we work on for our next assembly?
Ma'am,
Yes, Ihan?
I have zero mark in adjectives.
Because those are comparative adjectives. Remember, you have to add ly or er. We did it in class. Not normal adjectives. Like dash is faster, this person is faster, greater, softly, hardly, smoother. Comparative adjectives. So those were just adjectives. We did that activity in class. So that would be there in your note. If you resubmit, I'll change the mark. So it is there in your notebook. Not now, after class time.
Okay.
Okay, Haya. You have not joined for assembly today also. Why, Haya?
I woke up for today's assembly, but then I had to on the laptop and I had some connection issues.
You're having that every day. Each day there's some excuse. Since Haya just joined, I'll show you our class grading system right now, how it is going. As you can see, Haya, Amila has most number of stars because her all the works are completed on time and she is joining assembly. Lazel got 2 stars. He presented the pre-symmetry quiz actually. Miller had 1 golden star, that is for the first work he did on time. The rest for not joining assembly or not preparing the program.
I got 2 black stars.
Yes, you also have 2 black stars. Ayman got 2 golden star and 2 black star. Ehan 2 black star for not preparing for assembly and for missing the assembly. You also have 2 black stars because you joined class, you were not on leave, but you missed the assemblies. So this is how it is. So this kind of helps to determine who will be the star student of the theme. So make sure you join assemblies on time and do your work. Sounds good?